This Salind GPS 4G LTE Vehicle Tracker plugs straight into the OBD-II port, so installation is quick and does not require tools or wiring changes. Because it draws power directly from the vehicle and has its own internal battery, it can provide continuous around-the-clock tracking without the hassle of regular recharging. The compact, unobtrusive housing is splash-resistant and easy to tuck out of sight, which makes it well-suited for discreet use in cars, trucks, and trailers. Real-time tracking with global coverage lets you see current position, speed, and recent routes from almost anywhere, which is especially useful for monitoring fleets or teenage drivers. The companion app and web portal are straightforward to use, and the flexible service plans make it easier to match tracking features and data intervals to your actual needs. Responsive, multilingual customer support and a long-term replacement program add extra reassurance that the tracker will stay usable over the long run.